So I think when you're styled in a film, you're styled based on what the character that you're playing.
Don't you want Don't you want
मैंने उसके साथ पूरी पिक्चर की एंड वो दैट थॉट नेवर क्रॉस माय माइंड सो इफ ही इज कमिंग इन एंड बीइंग ग्रेशियस फॉर अ सीन अगर हम इतनी छोटी सोच रखेंगे व्हेन इट कम्स टू वर्किंग विद फेलो एक्टर्स एंड हिम प्रोवाइडिंग हिज one day to add certain value to an emotion in the film you can't think like that it's about having fun. I mean, this entire film for me has been that journey. So like she said, you don't compare yourself and think like that. And why would he want to steal my thunder? Why would I want to steal his thunder? Why can't we coexist? And why can't you guys be happy that we always coexist? भूतिया का मतलब क्या होता है? ये जो मेरी थोड़ी कम है लेकिन है तो सही यार. लोग सबसे पहले यही हिलाते नाचते वक्त ना. तो आई थिंक द गाइज हु मेक म्यूजिक आर फाइनली रियलाइजिंग सबसे पहले यही हिलता है. तो इसके बारे में हम गाने बनाना शुरू करें. शेक योर हाथ ऑन द फ्लोर, शेक योर गर्दन ऑन द फ्लोर. उसमें कुछ ये बात शेक योर बूटी. हाँ ये अच्छा. ये फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में नहीं, आम जिंदगी में भी जब लोग नाचते हैं तो सबसे पहले यही करते हैं ना. जब शुरू करते हैं तो वही हिलती है पहले.
When actors come together, especially for a film like Finding Fanny, where there are so many actors, nobody's trying to steal anybody's thunder. The only intention, and trust me on this, is to make a good movie and to entertain the audience. If any one of us was uncomfortable sharing screen space with the other, we would not have even been a part of the film to begin with. So obviously our intentions are very clear, and that's why you're comfortable sharing screen space with 5 other actors.
And just to add to the situation, he's playing my friend and her friend in the film. So we both have a connect to the character. It's not just that he's married to her in the film. There is a connect from my character's perspective also. So that's why he adds even more value by being there, even for that one small sequence in the film.
Our film is being censored right now, actually, which is why Homie and the rest of the team are not here. And because of the backlog, we all know there's been a backlog, and there are a lot of films that need to be censored. So our film's gone in today. And so we need to keep a minimum of an 8-day gap before we can actually screen it. We've also decided to do something slightly different. And I also think that comes from the fact that we're very happy with the film that we've made, and the film is ready. So instead of doing the usual thing, which is to, promote the film and then have a premiere or then show the film to everyone at the last minute, we've decided to do the reverse, which is to actually start with the premiere, which will now be on the 1st of September, and then kind of have various screenings for everyone, so that when the film finally premieres on the 12th of September, hopefully all of you know enough about the film that the audience is eventually going to watch. I think we're also going to have some special screenings for all of you. I think our team will get in touch with all of you, and I think there's specific dates for everybody. But all of you sitting here will also get to see the film much before the actual release, the official release, which is on the 12th.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.